If you want to add language to keyboard on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, you're gonna scroll down to your System and Update tab. Then find your keyboard and input methods. Choose your Manage Keyboards option and choose your Gboard. Here, tap on Languages, press Add Keyboard and choose a keyboard which you want to add. For example, want to add Czech language. Now choose how you want it to have the QWERTY, QWERTYs, and all different variants. I'll choose QWERTY, the classic one. Now press Done. And now let's check it out. If we're gonna tap on this glue icon here, we can switch to another language. You can always press language settings and see the languages which you have. If you want to delete one, simply tap on this pencil icon, choose which one you want to delete and tap on the trash icon. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.